What is the most LGBT-friendly country in the world? First and foremost, Saudi Arabia is the least LGBT-friendly country. This Middle Eastern country's punishment for homosexuals includes death penalty, whipping, or exile. So what is the country that is most friendly to homosexuality? Starting from the 5th place, Israel. Israel holds a LGBT Pride parade in Tel Aviv every June. Tel Aviv is one of the few gay cities in the world that is so popular. 4th place, Netherlands. In December 2000, the Dutch Senate passed a law allowing same-sex couples to marry and adopt children. 3rd place, Denmark. As early as 1989, Denmark became the world's first country to legalize same-sex unions through registered partnerships. The 2nd place is Portugal, which achieved the decriminalization of homosexuality in 1982. Before announcing the 1st place, please state in the comments section whether you support homosexuality. The 1st place has always been ranked first in the ILGA European LGBT Rights Legislative Country List, which is Malta.